I have seen some people get so hung up on the line that as the children are in the hallway, they're saying, okay, stand straight, hands by your side. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Where's the line? Kids are like, I don't know, where to go, where to go. All right, okay, where's the line? I'm here. All you should see is hair. And I'm like, wow, that's really interesting. We get hung up on those things. What we should be doing is teaching kids, hey guys, we're gonna get into line. We're going to line up here before we go out into the hallway. What you want to look for is you want to look for doors that are open. You see doors that are open and there's people in there and it's kind of quiet in the classroom. That's when you want to use that number 1 of that 0 voice, right? Don't talk. If you pass that classroom, we're in the hallway that goes down to the gym, you know, where there's no windows and no doors. That's okay to use your number 2, your conversation voice. Just watch your feet so you don't trip over something. If we could teach them those skills, I think we would appreciate it as adults, for those of you who visit places like Disney World, right? Or other places where adults have to stand in line. And they're on their cell phones in the public, blah, 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 talking away, and they don't know how to stand in line. But instead, we have this regimented, kids don't even know why they're standing in line.